Get ready because the sleek, glossy finish that you've been waiting for is officially here. Today we're introducing a brand new heat transfer material that is sure to elevate your next project. So stay tuned as we explore everything that you need to know about the latest innovation in heat transfer material, that is Vernice. Introducing Vernice, our newest heat transfer vinyl designed for bold color, sleek shine, and professional grade results. Available in two striking shades, glossy red and glossy black, Vernice delivers a vibrant, high gloss finish reminiscent of automotive paint, all while maintaining the thin, flexible feel that you know and love from Siser Easy Weave. Whether you're running a high volume production shop or crafting at home, Vernice's 12-inch rolls are the perfect size for your vinyl cutter. Vernice adheres beautifully to cotton, polyester, and poly-cotton blends, making an incredibly versatile choice for a wide variety of garments. And with an application temperature of 305 degrees Fahrenheit and a press time of 10 to 15 seconds, this material is engineered for durability and lasting visual impact. Now that you've got the basics, let's walk through an application process to help you achieve the best results with Vernice. Begin cutting and weeding your design using your preferred cutter. Next, pre-press your garment with a heat press for about 5 seconds to remove any moisture and wrinkles. Then place your Vernice design onto your garment and apply at medium pressure for 10 to 15 seconds at 305 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're using a Romeo or Juliet cutter, we recommend a cut force of 10 to 12 for optimal results. Now keep in mind that Vernice is a cold peel product, so we recommend removing the garment from the heat press and waiting until the fabric is cool to the touch before peeling away the carrier sheet. Oh, and did I mention? Works really well with the mesh technique. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've created a bold, high-gloss design using Vernice by Siser. Interested in trying Vernice for yourself? Contact your local reseller or distributor to get started today. And if you don't have one, no problem. Send us an email to info@siserna.com and we'll connect you with the closest reseller in your area. And until next time, bye everyone.